What's up everyone? I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and today we are going to be doing something a little bit different than usual. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how to do a badge delete on one of our 350Z bumpers using our plastic repair kit in the 50 milliliter size. This is VZR101. Now, during this demonstration, the first step and most important step is going to be the prep work of the bumper. Using 80 grit sandpaper, we're gonna roughen up the edges a little bit here so that way we can ensure that our repair kits will properly adhere to the surface of the bumper. This will ensure the curing process in full and allow for the smooth finish once we're done. Now, after finishing up with our 80 grit sandpaper here, we were left with this edge that is pretty hard to reach with the power tool. We're gonna take 100 grit sandpaper and finish cleaning up the rest of it here manually. Now that we have successfully finished up with the manual sanding with our 100 grit sandpaper, you can see that we were able to reach the harder areas that we weren't able to get to before with our manual sander. Now we are ready to move on to the next step, which is applying the VZR101 or plastic repair kit from Vicrez. All right, guys. Now you can see here that we have finally finished applying the Vicrez plastic repair kit. We've taken about 10 to 15 minutes to let it sit and cure, so it is now hardened and ready for the next step, which in this case is going to be sanding it down to achieve a smooth surface. That way we can get it ready for any prep work prior to paint. Alright guys, so that is looking like it's gonna wrap it up here today for our Vicrez badge deletion video. We were able to successfully complete this with one of our 50 milliliter plastic repair kits, VZR101. That's gonna be it for this bad boy behind me too. It looks like they are ready to go to get it prepped for paintwork.